Kevin Allison with Crescent Industries. Today I'm in our general injection molding facility located in New Freedom, Pennsylvania. Today we wanted to highlight one of our newest automation work cells. In this cell we have a 2-cavity mold that is producing a medical device for tray packaging material. We have an end-of-arm tool that goes into the molding machine, retrieves the 2 parts, and orients them in the same direction on a conveying system. The parts then come down the conveying system where we have another end-of-arm tool that will actually pick the parts up, and the parts will be stacked a total of 12 pieces high. And you'll see once the stack of 12 is completed, the robot will actually pick the entire stack up and transfer it to the pallet for final packaging. This work cell is actually designed to be able to run for 8 hours unattended. To learn more about Crescent Industries, our injection molding capabilities, and how we can support you on your next project that requires high volume, please visit us on the web at www.crescentind.com.